welcome back to Red Ted Art. This video we're going to show you how to make a paper roll ballerina, part of our Nutcracker set of Christmas crafts. Come on, let's find out and see how this adorable ballerina is made. So for a little ballerina, we're going to start very simply by just taking a toilet paper roll and colouring it in all in one skin tone colour. The colour of skin tone is your choice. I've decided to go for like a pinky colour here, but of course there's lots of browns and beiges and all sorts you can use to suit your needs. But I'm just going to go for this one today. This is an acrylic paint, but any paint will do. So now our toilet paper roll is dry, let's turn it into a ballerina. So I've got some pens here in different colours for the face. I found this purple bit of tissue paper, it's quite long. I'm not quite sure yet exactly how much I'm going to use, but first up I'm going to cut off a strip that will become kind of like a bodice for the ballerina. It's going to be big enough to fit around her once. Let's hope I got that right. There we go, that's good. Maybe we straighten it a little bit. And I'm going to use some of these bits. I'm going to cut two little shoes out, little ballerina shoes. So we just need to have them kind of just pointy. You can just draw these on as well if you want, or you can even paint the body and the shoes on. It's totally up to you, as always. I just give you the options. So we have the feet, glue those on. There we go. Then the bodice. Maybe trim off the back, because it does, when you layer tissue paper it gets darker. There you go. You've got your basic shape. You can even make those into little legs. There we go. And now comes the magic bit. We do like a bit of Pritt stick, don't we? So start at the back. Add lots of glue, and then we're going to take our tissue paper and we're going to gather it, and just keep gathering it as you go around and sticking it down as you go. Great thing about tissue paper is that it does actually stick quite easily, so it looks like the good old glue stick is just the thing we need. If you don't have tissue paper, you could maybe use a doily. That would look really cute. You could use some, what's it called? Tulle, but you might have to sew that on because tulle takes a bit more to gather. Look at that, isn't that cute? Such a cute little dress. And then the last bits we'll just glue together. And if you want to trim it a bit, you can. There we go. So you've got your little dress. It's quite big. I might fold it out a bit more. So it's more tutu-like. There we go. And then the last bit you need to do is to draw on her face. Okay. Let's do her face. I'm going to do a little and a little heart. And some rosy cheeks. Here we go. And that is your very simple fairy finished. Okay, I decided that maybe a little bit of hair and a little crown could look nice, so that, you know, she wasn't quite finished in my eyes. So I'm going to make a little crown, a bit similar to the crown that the Nutcracker mouse has. You can check my other video for that. So I've made a little crown, and then I'm going to cut a strip that fits all the way around her head. Let's see if this fits all the way around. Oh, just, aren't we lucky? Okay, so let's cut a strip. And then also, let's see if this works, maybe a little bun, but I'm not quite sure, we'll see. So then you've got the hair, the crown. I think that could look quite cute. Does that look like a little bun? The question is, does it look like... Oh yes, I think that works very nicely. Okay. We do like making things up as we go along, don't we? This is why we have Red Tail Art, because I make it up as I go along, and you can have a go once I'm done. Perfect. Here we go. Now I've seen that I've just smudged that. I don't know when I did that, but I obviously smudged it a little while ago. So I'm just going to take a little bit of pink paint and paint over it. But then our little fairy or ballerina is finished. Now this is the Sugar Plum fairy to go with our Nutcracker set. We've got a super cute Nutcracker mouse king that you can check out in the iCards and down below. We've obviously got the ballerina, and we've also got the Nutcracker. Now with this ballerina, I think she's cute the way she is. I'm going to leave her as a ballerina, but if you wanted to, you could also add some cute little wings. I think that would look really, really nice too. And yeah, that was it. How to make a toilet paper roll ballerina with tissue paper and paper to decorate. Anyway, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.